Tiger, yes. Very good. That's a tiger. You think that's a cow? It's black and white, yeah. Very nice. What else do you have in the box? A cow? Oh, wow, a giraffe. That's lovely. Very nice. Thank you, Frankie and Mark. Yeah. Cow? I think that's a zebra. But if you want to get... Nay. Okay. Neck? Yes, it has a long neck.
Very long.
Yeah. I'm taking a picture. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Thank you.